So lately, I've been thinking about how the stay-at-home girlfriend lifestyle, it's very romantic, but it's also very slow. And it can feel a bit empty if you don't find ways to really pour into yourself. So today, I will be sharing my little hobbies and passions with you guys, 5 of them to be exact, that hopefully will help you figure out something more fulfilling for yourself, or maybe you can try something new. I love them just for the sole fact that I get so happy to wake up in the morning and do them. They're nothing crazy, but just makes me excited to wake up.
First up, crocheting. I never thought I'd be a crochet girly, but here we are. It's literally so calming, and the best part is I get something super cute out of it once I'm done. I've been working on this cake box for probably a week now, and I just watch anime while I crochet away and focus on nothing except my cute little cake box. It's so worth it. Next hobby is cooking, not in like a chef kind of way, like Gordon Ramsay, but like making cute little meals, trying new recipes, and romanticizing it kind of way. I've been really into plating lately. Like, if the food looks pretty, it tastes way better. My boyfriend always gets excited when I try something new. It's so fun for both of us. And actually, next, I plan on making tanghulu. Another thing I love is junk journaling. It's a newfound hobby of mine, and it's like scrapbooking, but messier and more fun. I keep receipts, packaging, little notes. It's such a sweet way to like document my little soft girl life in like the absolute cutest but kind of chaotic type of way. I also started playing around with digital drawing. I've been doing it for a few years now, and I'm not an artist, like nowhere even near close, but it's really fun to like sketch little things. Lately, I've been working on a sketch of myself. I literally just traced over one of my own photos that I really liked and wanted to see as a digital drawing because I want to turn it into a wallpaper. And honestly, starting a YouTube channel has probably been the most fulfilling thing of all. Even if I'm just filming little bits of my day or talking about stuff I love, it makes everything feel more intentional. Like, I get to share my routines and create something I'm proud of. It's scary at first, but if you've been thinking about it, this is your sign. Slow living doesn't have to be boring. It can be filled with color, comfort, and creativity.
You don't need a busy life to be fulfilled. You just need to fill it with things and passions and hobbies that you love. Speaking of things I love, this little one just came to sit in my lap. Her name is Coco. She's my daughter. She's my furry little daughter. Whether you're trying any of my own hobbies that I love to do, or if you have your own stay-at-home girlfriend hobbies, please let me know down below. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.